air purifier as well. It's running 61 dB. And just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box right below the video is going to be the link for this exact same air purifier. You guys in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will have you linked below as well, so you guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself. We're going to get into full specs, don't worry about that one. I want to run a couple of dimensions by you guys real quickly. These are in millimeters. We'll see if the manual has it in inches. Dimensions are 590 millimeters by 405 millimeters by 240 millimeters. The rated voltage, of course, for the US model, you're looking at 110 volt, 60 hertz, and again, this is the P500. Has a 1-year warranty. So let's get it out of here and take it for a test run. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. All right, let's get the P500 out of the box here, but let's go ahead and talk about a couple things real quickly here. It is a 6-step filtration system, fine mesh pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, activated carbon filter, cold catalyst filter, UV light sanitizer, negative ion generator. To be honest with you, a lot of that I have no idea about, but I like it. So let's go ahead and slash this guy on open and see what we got. Now it purifies rooms the size of 158 square feet through 407 square feet, 3-speed modes, auto mode, air quality indication, filter health indication, and again, with the low noise of only 61 dB. That's fantastic, especially if you are trying to sleep while this is running. All right, let's move the power cable out of the way and get this out of the box. Everything is styrofoamed in there very nicely, so let's remove those. All right, we got it out of the box here. Now let's go ahead and remove that guy there. Very nice. We have more protection. And if I haven't mentioned yet, there is a included remote control with this. We have our user guide, etc. here on the top. A very nice thin remote control here with your function, sleep, timer, speed, on, off, auto with a push in the middle there. And I've already taken off the back cover here, but you will need to go ahead and remove this little plastic piece underneath the battery. And what that does is that actually saves contact, so the battery stays powered during storage and shipping. Okay, we got some plastic covering protection all over the top and the sides here. So let's go ahead and remove that all. And this little sticker right here says, please remove the poly bag for filters before using. And so what you have to do here is you have to turn around to the back of it, go ahead and remove the back grate, very simple there. And here we have our filter bag here, which does have plastic all over it. So again, just remove that plastic bag and put it back the way it was. And what's nice is it actually has little tabs right here that say front. So the blue side is there, the green side is back on the back side, and that fits right in there like that. And then placing the grate right back there like that. It does have some nice handles on the side, which is nice, being able to lift that up. Let's go ahead and remove our little sticker here. Well, it's a very nice clean design. I definitely like the silver up here on the top, nice gloss white here. We will of course be plugging in and showing the main menu here. Coming around to the side, just pretty much just plain here with your handles here as well, like we mentioned. And the back we already saw. And then coming around this side, we have a little logo right here with another little handhold there. So you guys can go ahead and pause this and look at this a little bit more in depth if you want, but we'll run a couple specs by you guys real quickly here. There's the core filtration system right there, as you can see. In the timer, you're looking at 1 hour to 12 hours, and you go into sleep mode, as you can see right here, and the light turns off and the machine runs at a low speed, low noise. 3 fan speed as well, like we mentioned. And there's your pre-filter, HEPA filtration. You guys can go ahead and pause that. And you guys can pause this as well. Activated carbon, cold catalyst, 20 million negative ions, and the different noise levels, etc. The tick of a clock is 20 dB, and this fan is 61 dB. When the light turns yellow, that's medium air quality. Blue light, good air quality. Poor light, red. We have a blade impeller. And we have some other information here, effective noise reduction motor. And it doesn't say anything about washing the filters, so I wouldn't recommend washing it, but it does say it is recommended that you do clean the filter every 2 months, expose the filter to sunlight for 1 to 3 hours, or clean the surface with a vacuum cleaner. Well guys, I've been loving the air filter. Very nice LED light, green LED light. That obviously is for the air quality right there. And then you also have your PM sensor, and the digits right here, that is your PM 2.5 sensor, and that's to inform the user about the concentration of PM in the air. So I'm not sure if my microphone is picking that up properly, but it sounds right now, I think I'm on the highest setting. Let me go ahead and play around with this. Now I do notice, I think I'm on level 2 right now. I do notice that the digits, they do transfer as sometimes I walk by. And then if you're a ways from it, it will go down a little bit. But I think if you cause more air particles to get in there, don't quote me on that one, but I do notice it sometimes. Yeah, see, there you go. So sometimes you'll pass by it and you'll bring more dust into the machine, and then it will go back down once it's stabilized and nothing new fresh is coming in. That's just your PM sensor. So let's go ahead and go to level 3. And I think there's one more. Nope, level 1. That's very quiet. I've been having it on level, okay, here's automatic right here. And let's go ahead and go to level 2. So I've been having it on level 2, and it sounds like your desktop computer in your office. It actually doubles as a sound machine as well. My bed is just right over here. And if you guys aren't aware of sound machines, sleep machines, it's a white noise machine. If you have neighbors or loud roommates or loud people that wake up in the morning and grind coffee, definitely this is a 2-for-1 right here, giving you white ambient noise that drains out the other noise. So level 2, I like level 2. Here you have your timer button right here. There's your 1 hour and you go all the way up to 12, or you can cancel it right there. I just been running it non-stop. And then here we have night mode. So during the nighttime, this will actually be lit up green, and it does give a little bit of light. There's actually also a blue light down there as well. And guys, the blue light is going to be your UV sanitizing light. So let's go ahead and look in on that. Looking great down there, folks. So we hit night mode, and that blue light goes off, and this goes off as well. And it actually goes down into sleep mode here. So it looks like when you do hit night mode, it does go in the lowest setting, and then all the lights go off, even the blue light down here. Now, the only problem about that is you're not getting your louder white noise. So if a light doesn't affect you, and you wanted to stay in level 2, and if you don't mind giving off a little bit of a blue light down there with a little bit of a green ring, if you're not light sensitive when you sleep, then I would just leave it on level 2. I left it on level 2. Here is my bed right here, going over to the machine, and I slept like a baby. And ladies and gentlemen, the company has offered my subscribers a 10% off discount. Look for that again in the description box below. Well, folks, I like it. I think it's a great air filter. It definitely does smell fresher in the room as it sucks in. And again, the fan is blowing straight up a little bit. So obviously really nice in the summertime as well. And obviously you could lower that fan. You could raise it up. White noise machine. And especially with what's happening in the world right now, I think it's a blessing. So again, the company has given you guys a 10% off discount. That link will be in the description box below, as with the code to apply during checkout. Folks, hit that thumbs up button if it has given you an informed decision on the product. But one thing I do want to mention, guys, is that, and this goes for all my review videos, please don't go into debt to purchase any of the products that I review. Spend money that you have. With that said, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video. My name is Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to